Hello and welcome to Mana Samartha. So in this series we are going to look at what facial products we can prepare at home which would be very beneficial for tanning or hyperpigmentation or scarring and acne and so on and so forth. So in this video I'm going to explain how to prepare a facial gel at home which would be beneficial especially if you have scarring or if you have aging effects and most importantly pigmentation or tanning. So I've taken honey. You can use a glass of honey if you want to prepare a large amount and you want to use it every alternate day or so, because even if you are not doing facial you can put on facial gel every second day or third day maybe at the end of the day to take off the all the facial effects that you have post using makeup products and so. Okay, so I've taken honey, then I have added lemon slices to it and orange slices. So I have shown the whole orange, but you need to make into small pieces because you are going to grind it later. You are going to put this whole thing in mixture after 18 hours. For 18 hours, you have to put all these slices into the honey and store it somewhere in cool and dry place. If possible, you can keep it in the refrigerator door, not in the refrigerator inside, but in the door, so that this gets soaked well, and then it will be swollen up a little. It would look kind of marmalade, and then you can use that mixture into your grinder mixture and make it into a paste. Like it would usually look like a jam or something. So if it is too thick by any chance, you can add some rose water to it, or else you can add some turmeric water to it. If you have alkaline water, you can add even that to it. If you want to make it like too thin and it is too thick for your application purposes, and if you want to make it thicker and you think like, okay, it's too thin, I want to make it thick, then you can add some aloe vera gel to it. Just scoop out aloe vera gel out of it and you can mix it inside and your gel is ready. Now you can apply that gel and let it sit for 20 minutes or so. After 20 minutes, you can just wash it off or you can wipe it out using cotton towels or cotton napkins. Do not use tissue papers or cotton balls and gauze pieces and so on your face. They irritate the skin like anything. Just use very soft cotton handkerchief or cotton napkin, cotton towel, whatever you have. So that's it about the anti-pigmentation gel. So see you in the next video where I'll explain how to make a facial cream at home. Thank you.